have 2 loaves of bread weighing 0.99 ounces / 28.9 grams. Can we wait 3 minutes to the next loaves to avoid making Birkat situation? I'm having breakfast with cream cheese and these loaves of bread that are very light, but this is not for me a meal, just a breakfast.
Okay. So that's a good question. So even though when we say in Halachos or Bircas class in Kitzur Shulchan Aruch class that you have to eat your food in a time period of 3 to 4 minutes. That's according to all of the opinions. But still, there is opinion that is very lenient, and in case of the need, we can rely on it. So, what is the opinion that you have to eat in the 9 minutes? So, I would say, so if person, I mean, we don't recommend, but if for whatever reason, person does not have Birchas Hamazon text with him, right? He's Has for shalom, he's in a place I don't know, whatever, in a place that he does not have, right? But he has bread. So there is no problem. So in order not to say Birchas Hamazon, you eat less than this kizayis, less than 28 grams, right? Less, 26, 27 grams. Okay, and then wait 9 minutes. And after these 9 minutes, you can eat the portion of this bread. So there is no problem. So if you eat that little, you would not need to say Birchas Hamazon, but it does not count cheese. So if you put on top of cream cheese, that's already is going to get a problem. So you would need to say the blessing, even though we need to say. I don't want to overcomplicate it, but I'm trying to say basic. I don't want to overcomplicate things. If you said if you eat the food even in combination. We said it was our topic maybe maybe a few classes before, right? So we said that liquids combine with liquids, right? And solids combine with solids, but solids cannot combine with liquids. So if I say if I drink a little tea, right, less than revis, right, less than this 2.9 ounces, 86 grams, right, and I ate a little piece of bread. So these things, or piece of cake, let's say, these things do not combine. But if I ate a little piece of cake and I ate half a tomato, these things combine, and I would need to say blessing after blessing. So one more time, I don't want to overcomplicate things. Forget about cream cheese. So if you ate less than 28 grams, wait 9 minutes, ate another 28 grams, and you do it like at least all day, you would not need to say Birchas Hamazon. Correct.